Hi, this is Anthony again. Today, just want to show you a little bit about the Touchboards TB tablet. It's a little getting to know you kind of thing. When you get it, it's going to look like this. And I'm going to show you what's in the box, show you what you'll need to do to get it up and running. First of all, you'll have your instruction sheet, worth taking a look at, so definitely want to read that. I'm going to slide this out here, and the CD, the USB cable are going to be in the bottom, so they might fall out. Keep an eye out for those. This is your drivers, and you're going to need this to charge it. Drivers, you'll want to install them on your computer. Whatever computers you're going to be using with this, you can't put them on more than one. When you get it, it's in this plastic case here. The tablet itself, you'll have to kind of pop out. Okay. Now, what differentiates the Touchboards tablet from other wireless tablets is the keyboard that's on here. Now, it's not an actual keyboard, it's just printed on. But when you're running, you can use the top portion here to get into a text box, maybe the address field for your internet browser, or word processing program, anything like that. And once you click onto it, you can then come down here and you just tap on the letters that you want to type. You see them right there in front of you, instead of having to look at an on-screen keyboard from across the room. Be much easier. Well, the first thing you're going to want to do, set the tablet aside, take out your pen. Now the pen does not ship with the battery installed. Take a look at it here. This is the tip. This is a laser pointer on this side. The tip on the laser pointer side is going to unscrew. It comes right off. Then the top portion with the button on it is going to come out. Just slide it out like that. And here's where your battery is going to go. Your battery is in the package, sort of a light green color. And we're just going to install that in the pen. It should have a little bit of a charge, but you'll want to charge it up just to be safe. It's going to tell you what direction to put the battery in. You just slide it in there. We're going to replace the battery door. Kind of snaps in like that and closes down. And you put the tip back on. You can put this back into the tablet. It will go right in the top like this. If you notice, there's two metal rings on the pen. You want those to line up with the two contacts on here, because that's how the pen will charge. So you always want to put it in that fashion. Next, you're going to need the battery. Battery's right here. On the back of the tablet, you have this battery door. It's going to slide off. Here's where your battery's going to go. And here's the wireless dongle. We'll get to that in a minute. The battery has this little clip attached to these wires. You're just going to plug it into here. There's only one way it can go in. Can't really screw it up. You just plug that in, place the battery in there like so, and put the door back. Once that's secured, your tablet may turn on, but the battery is going to be pretty low. So you'll probably want to have it charged up first. You're going to take your USB cable. And just take that. You're going to plug it into the USB port on this side of the tablet. The other end's going to get plugged into the USB port on your computer, which we happen to have right here. You don't need to install the drivers to charge it. Right now it's just pulling power from the computer, charging the battery. The pen is also charging at this point. The other items in the box, there's an AC adapter for the USB cable. So you can actually plug the USB right into here, plug this into a standard wall outlet and charge it that way. This is straps. There's two straps that you can put on the back of the tablet. They'll connect in these holes here, and you can actually have it have your hand on it and have it just kind of strapped onto your hand, so you can walk around like this, or if you're right-handed, you walk around like that. You don't have to worry about dropping it. If you do drop it, however, the corners are rounded and rubberized, so it won't hurt your foot, and it should just bounce off. Should be just fine. A couple other features I want to tell you about. You have a small LCD screen here. It's going to tell you your connection status to the wireless dongle, as well as the battery levels. Over here you have a volume control button, volume up, volume down. Over here is a right and left mouse click. So you can click just by tapping the tip of the pen to the surface here. That's going to be a regular left click. Right click is the button on here, right on the pen. So you can hover above where you want to go, click that, that's your left click, but you can also use these buttons as well. So now that we have the basic rundown of how to set this up, we're going to connect it to our computer. I'll just show you how to use it real quick.